Welcome guys, welcome back to my tutorial. This is still Samosi. We are going to be starting from where we left off last time. Okay, this is what we did last time, and I was just showing you how the basic HTML page is formatted. This doesn't look like much, but this is just the basic building blocks, okay, of our HTML page. Okay, we are going to be looking into tags in this segment. More tags. We're going to be using more tags to format this page. Okay, we are not going to do anything to the heading, but this nav, we are going to expand it because it should be a navigation tag. So there ought to be like buttons, link buttons that will lead you to various areas of the page. So to make a list of buttons, we use the list tag. We are using the unordered list. There are two list styles. There's the unordered lists and ordered lists. So we are using the unordered list style. It's represented by UL, the opening and closing tag. Then we introduce our lists opening tag, closing tag. So / okay, I'll make this 3 lists items. Okay, I copied and pasted so that it will be faster. Let's make this page button. Okay, in case you don't have an idea of what I'm doing, this is basically I'm creating the link buttons that you basically see on a page. Most web pages have them. Understand? Most have their own located at the head of the page. You know, those buttons that you can press that will take you to different parts of the page. So this is what I'm trying to do here. Okay, let's go into the section. In the section you have sorry about that. Remember to space things out so that it doesn't clog together and make everything look untidy. So in the section you have what we call articles. You can have multiple articles inside one section. Okay. Well, let's have 2. Let me copy this and paste. Let's write something inside. Let's say this is the first article. Let's say this is the second article. It's not like this is what's going to be inside it, but I just want to put this in there so that we can see what's going on in the browser. Okay, let's say something like copy right. So, okay, let's save this up and we should make this smaller. If you want to magnify or make the page smaller, you use this. Okay, can make it smaller or bigger. Okay, so let's save this document and go to our browser to view it. Go to our browser and refresh. You see what it looks like. So now, this, okay, everything turned out fine, but this is not what I need. I want this to be spaced out. In order to space things out in a HTML file, it's not like a normal editor. You have to use a tag that is called, this tag is called a line break, because yeah, even if you leave like you make multiple spaces in between the tags, it won't affect the outcome. The only way you can do this is by adding stuff. Let this be the way it was before. Let me bring this back the way it was so that this will be easy to understand for you. Okay, so let me show you. This is the line break. The line break is something like, the line break is one of the tags that don't have an opening tag. It just has a closing tag. And for tags that don't have opening but only closing, like they don't have opening tags, the difference is that the / comes after the tag, unlike this one that has opening and closing. You see where the slash is, but this one that is just one tag has this only, has the / at the back, the tag. Let me save off the page and refresh. You see the space that's spaced out. That's how you space. And one more thing, let me show you, like if you want to put a horizontal row in between the articles, I want to put a horizontal row, you use something. HR stands for that horizontal row. HR. Save this up. Refresh. You see the horizontal row. I'll show you. I will do one more thing here, then I'll end the video. Let's do one more. Editing to the head of the page. So I'll put a link here. Well, call this style sheets. Okay. href. href defines a link to a document of the page. So this is .css, main.css. Okay, I put this here because we're going to use this to connect to a CSS file outside this document for styling. Okay, this is used for one of the methods of CSS styling, because there are 3 methods of CSS styling. I'm going to be talking more on that in the next tutorial. Here, we should put something that is called lang. That's language. Want to ink. Okay, this helps your browser to know that this page is formatted in English. So it's just for the browser, just like this. It helps the browser. Let me save this up. Okay, it's still going to be the same because nothing really changed. I just added a few things in the head. So I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Then we'll start styling in our next tutorial. See you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and send to others that might need to see this. Okay, thank you. See you.